Hi, this is Lily and welcome to my page. You know, it's always an honor and a privilege to have you join me, so thank you. And also, I do want to say that I have my previous videos that I have said try and do something different every day. So now I'm picking up a ukulele and I'm trying to sing on the ukulele. But I am singing in my language because most of the songs that are written in our language are only 3 chords on ukulele. So just pretty simple songs, I guess, easy songs. But I do know that You Are My Sunshine is a very good song that you can learn on the ukulele. So today I'm just going to sing you a song by Lele is about the waterfall. So what it's describing the waterfall is like the people in Niue. It's how beautiful they are and they're not, just cheerful and happy people. So they're just the song is just describing how beautiful the people in Niue are, or the children, and it's describing how you see a waterfall as flowing down the mountain. It's just like how beautiful we are as Niueans. I think it's a good song, so I hope you enjoy it. And just remember, I'm only learning on my ukulele, so if I go off key, please don't laugh. Dunga to balele, lunga to munga, fia 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 to whānau niue, koe angania ia he mahani whakalani, fia fia talo to kua whele vea hone. Oi hanga hanga maila, si kata kata maila, une mai kai whaka fia fia tua, to whanau niue, kua pulu ola, fia talo to kua whele vea hone. Oi hanga hanga maila, si kata kata maila, une mai kai whaka fia tua, to whanau iwe, kua pulu ola, fia tala to kua whele vea hone. Fia tala to kua whele vea hone. And that's my song. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I do hope that you like my videos. As I've said in my previous videos, try something different. I'm playing the ukulele and I'm trying to sing a song a day, so add into what I have already been busy at doing. If you like my page, if you like my videos, subscribe to my page, and there's a link below this video that you might want to check out. So